Okay, so number 9 says, find the equation of the hyperbola with vertices at plus or minus 4, 0, and an asymptote at y equals plus or minus 1/2 x. Okay, so I would start by putting all the information you know onto the graph. So I know one vertex is here at 4, 0, and the other one here is at negative 4, 0. So I know that. So my center must be right here at the origin. There's my center. So my distance from 0 to 4 is considered to be a in this case because I know this is a left-right hyperbola. So if this is a left-right hyperbola, I'm going to go ahead and write that equation down. It's going to be x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared has to equal 1. I know that in this case a is distance of 4 units, so I'm going to have x squared over 16 minus y squared over b squared equals 1. So the only thing we have to do is figure out what b squared is. And we're going to use the fact that we know that we've been given y equals 1/2 x as an asymptote. Now, in this case, for our asymptotes, right, we know that y is equal to b over a x given to us in our asymptotes. So that means that a is a value of 4. So I have b over a, and I know that this has to be, a has a value of 4, and it has to be in a ratio of 1/2, so b has to equal 2. So therefore I get x squared over 16 minus y squared over 4, because 2 squared is 4, equals 1. Alright, that's everything I need to know. Now I could have also done it this way, back on the graph, if I know the asymptote is up 1 over 2, and then up 1 over 2, this distance right here represents b, and look, it's 2 units. So that would be the box that I would draw for if I was going to label this thing. And then these are my asymptotes right here. And then here's this one over here. And then I would draw the hyperbola, and it would look like this. Nice job.